In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Transcripts. If you're researching a company and want the clearest view into management's thinking, the transcripts feature in TIKR Terminal is one of the fastest ways to get there. We'll move smoothly from finding a company to opening and reading a transcript, so you can quickly extract the insights that matter. Start by heading to the search bar at the top of TIKR. Type the company's ticker if you know it, or begin entering the company name. As you type, you'll see matching results appear. Pick the correct listing for the entity you want to analyze, especially if there are multiple share classes or international tickers. Selecting the right company here ensures you're pulling the exact transcripts for that business, and not a similarly named subsidiary or parent. Once you're on the company's page, look to the left navigation panel and click Call Transcripts. This takes you to a dedicated area where TIKR organizes earnings call and conference transcripts specifically for that company, making it easy to focus on spoken commentary rather than digging through filings. You'll now see a chronological list of available transcripts. The newest items are typically at the top, with titles that usually include the quarter or event name and the date. This list commonly includes quarterly earnings calls, investor conferences, and occasionally special presentations. If you don't see a specific quarter, it may not have been transcribed or made available yet, but most covered companies will have a consistent sequence across recent periods. Click the transcript title you want to open the full text. This loads the complete document so you can read everything in one place. Titles help you confirm you're in the right quarter or event before you dive in, minimizing back and forth. Now scroll through the document to read management's prepared remarks and the Q&A section. The prepared remarks come first and usually lay out results, segment performance, strategic updates, and any guidance. This section is great for building a clean summary and noting the exact numbers and definitions management uses. As you continue scrolling, you'll reach the Q&A. Here, analysts ask follow-ups that often surface key pressure points, competitive dynamics, pricing power, and outlook nuances that aren't fully spelled out in the prepared remarks. Pay attention to speaker labels so you can track who's talking and watch for repeated themes quarter to quarter. That's the workflow. Search the company, open call transcripts, choose the event, and scroll through prepared remarks and Q&A. With practice, you'll move through these steps quickly and pull actionable insights every time.